Wishing I was knee deep in the water somewhere. Got a blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Who Plays Guitar Lessons. This is Knee Deep by Zach Brown Band. If you guys have any other requests, please let me know. This song was requested, so I get to them as quickly as I can. It's a great song, and you're going to have a capo on the 3rd fret. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the chords you're going to play. I'm going to show you how to play them, and then where you play them, and the chord progressions and the strumming patterns and everything. So let me know if you guys have any questions and stuff, all right? So standard tuning capo on the 3rd fret. All right, so the chords you're going to play for this song, the first one that you're going to play is C add 9. Okay, so ring finger goes on the 3rd fret. This is all in relation to the capo. 3rd fret, okay, on the B string, and then you put your middle finger, that goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret, all right, on the D string. So that's C add 9. All right, you're also going to use F. F is hard for a lot of people. What you do for F is you're going to put it on the big E string, your pointer finger, all right, on the 1st fret. Now, you're supposed to bar it. If you can't bar it, at least just kind of try, because what's going to happen is if you can't do it, at least mute those other strings, all right? So, and then what you're going to do is put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, so that's how that one's played. You also do C. So C is you're going to put your your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, you're going to do G. I would recommend doing the simple G like this. I mean, they're both easy, but I would do this one, pinky finger, just because it's really easy to go from C to G on this one. So you're going to put your pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. You're going to do A minor, and that's going to be, you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the B string. And you're going to do D7. You're not going to use this a little bit, but you're going to need it, so D7. So what you're going to do is ring finger on the 2nd fret on the little E string, middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, so that's D7. So here's how you're going to play this song. You're going to start out with, you're going to do no lyrics for this part, C add 9, okay? F, C, G, C. Okay, then you're going to start over, C add 9, F, okay, then you're going to do A minor, G, F, G, C. Okay, so again that's C add 9, F, C, G, and then you do C add 9, F, and then you do the quick part, which is A minor, G, F, G, C. Okay, so the strumming pattern for this is you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So it's just very easy. It's that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Then down, down, up, down, up, down, up, all right? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So just notice I'm doing it kind of like a louder smack. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So just like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Now, for the part where you're transitioning quickly, so you go from F, you do A minor, G, F, G, C. Okay, it's not that difficult. Just make sure you just practice it a few times if you're newer, but it shouldn't be too difficult. A minor, G, F, G, C, and give yourself some time, but go slow with it if it's hard for you. Okay, so that's it. So the way that you're going to do that is this. Remember, it's just a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so just alternating other than the big down at the beginning. All right. So then what you do for this song is you play that, and then you're going to play that exact same chord progression for the verse and the chorus, but not the bridge. So I'll show you the bridge in a little bit, and not the outro either, but I'll show you in just a second. So you're going to do C add 9, All right, so what you're gonna do for the verse is you're gonna palm mute. So put this part of your hand as close as you can to that white bridge right there, like right in front of it. All right, and then you're gonna be doing, now if you're having a hard time doing that same strumming pattern, which is the, gonna put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it, sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Okay, so you could do that. If you have a hard time alternate strumming on the palm mute, okay, so then you can just do this. You can just do down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. So it's gonna put the world away for a minute, pretend I don't live in it, sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Okay, so you could just do it like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do C add 9 on gonna put the world away for a minute. Then after a minute you do F, pretend I don't live in it. And then after in it you do C, sunshine gonna wash is G, wash my blues away, away is C. Then you go back to C add 9 before you start doing the next lyric. Had sweet love but I lost it. Okay, then you do F. She got too close, so I fought her, now I'm lost. Lost is A minor, lost in the world. World is G, world try to find is F, so that's easy. Find me a better is G, better way is C, way. Wishing I was, because you do wishing I was, you can still be like palm muting, or you can just do nothing for that part, okay? So when you go to the chorus, you're gonna do, wishing I was knee deep in the water somewhere, got the blue. Okay, so you're doing the same, remember, the same chord progression for the chorus too, and that same strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so just like that. So here's where the chords go. Wishing I was. Then you start C add 9 after was. See, knee deep in the water somewhere, got the blue. Blue is F, blue sky breeze, and it don't seem fair. Only worry is C. Worry in the world is a tide, tide is G. Tide gonna reach my chair, chair is C. And you switch back to C add 9, okay? Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky, never been is F. Been so happy, never felt so high, and I think is A minor, think I might have found is G, found me my own, alright, own is F, own kind of pair is G, paradise, and dice is C, dice. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you play the chorus. Alright, so watch my hands as well on this. Wishing I was knee deep in the water somewhere, got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is a tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky, never been so happy, never felt so high, and I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Okay, then after the first chorus, you're just going to play the intro part again. So it's the same, it's exact same chords, you're just not playing any lyrics with it, all right? Then you do the second verse is the same as the first one, second chorus is the same. Now for the bridge, you're going to play a little bit differently. You're going to do A minor is where you're going to start. You're going to do this champagne shore washing over, okay? So you do A minor for this champagne, and then over is C, okay? Over me, it's a sweet is G, sweet life, living by the salty is C, salty C. One is F, one day you, B is lost is C, okay? Lost is me, change your geography. So geography is where you're going to do D7. Geography. Maybe you is G. You might be. Okay, then you're going to do the next chorus. You can either do single strums or you can just play it regular, okay? For that next chorus, but the outro is you're just going to do come on in. Okay, you're going to do C on come. Come on in, the water's nice. Find is G. Find yourself a little slice, grab. Okay, so grab a C, grab a backpack and lies you never. So backpack is G, C, grab a backpack. So kind of like pack is where you do G. Backpack and lies you never is A minor. Never know until is G, till you try. And try is F. Try When you lose is D7, lose yourself, you find. Okay, so after D7 is where you can start doing the regular strums again. You find the key to paradise. All right, paradise is where you're gonna do C add 9. And you're just gonna start that and do the same thing as the intro, but for the outro. All right, just like that. Anyway, and then the song will just end on the last C chord. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. See you next time.